Hi, welcome to Be Creative Clonmel. In this series, I will show you how to create trail lights and light drawings using long exposure photography through your phone. There are three main settings we will be working with to create trail lights and light drawing in future videos, which are the ISO, Aperture, and the shutter speed. In photography, the ISO means International Standard Organization, meaning camera sensitivity to light. The higher the number, the more sensitive the camera sensor is to light. This means it will be more grainier. For example, if I was working in a studio, I would have my ISO set for low. If I was taking a picture in low light, I would set it higher. The aperture is the opening where light enters the camera. A larger aperture, the camera will let more light in. With a smaller aperture, the camera will let less light in. Aperture also affects the depth of field. If I were to take a photo with a large aperture, I would get a shallow depth of field, meaning the person I will be taking a photograph will be in focus, but the background will be blurred. However, this wouldn't be the best approach if I was photographing a landscape. I would want as much as possible in the image to be sharp. I would use a small aperture, which would give me a greater depth of field, so even objects in the distance would be sharp. The shutter speed is basically how quick or slow the camera will record the image. For example, if you were photographing a sports event or someone running and you wanted to get a sharp photograph, you would use a fast shutter speed. But now, because we are going to photograph light trails and light drawing, we are going to use a slow shutter speed. In the next video, I will show you how to do trail lights with your mobile phone using long exposure techniques. Until next time, be creative.